what that mouth do. Mmm.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
She a little bad. Hit her with the bag. Yeah. Put it on the tab. Don't know how to act. Yeah.
Hello, what's up, what's good? I'm Irene and you're watching Ireneeish, a little bit of Irene. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you have already, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna be doing a video that was actually requested by a few of you guys. I got a couple of questions asking how I got my body from my 25-day Chloe Ting Hourglass challenge and what I eat to get that kind of body. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing a what I eat in a day as a pescatarian. And I'm not strictly pescatarian, but majority of the week, I only eat seafood. And I'm gonna be real with y'all. I have seen other YouTubers what I eat in a day videos, and let me just tell you, I do not eat like that. I eat a lot. I really believe that you can get the body that you want while still eating whatever you want and treating yourself sometimes. And when I say eat whatever you want, I don't mean like, oh, go and eat junk food every single day. No, it's not something that I want every day. Those were always a reward to me, and I still see it as like a special occasion type of food. So on the daily, I usually eat pretty healthy. Make sure to get my carbs, proteins, and fats. I consider it healthy, but some other people might not. I don't know. I think that everyone's body is different, and what we eat and what we need to nourish our bodies is gonna be different. This is just what I eat in a day, and by no means do you have to feel like that's what you should eat in a day, because I'm so serious when I say that our bodies are different. I really believe in intuitive eating and just eating what feels right for your body. If something feels off or makes you feel a little sicky, then don't eat it. If your mind and body and soul is saying, I want ramen today, I want boba today, then go ahead and get that boba and get that ramen. I guess another thing I should mention is that I intermittent fast every single day. I've been doing it for 2 years now. So basically I have a fasting period that is 16 to 18 hours long, and then I eat for about 6 to 8 hours. And I honestly contribute a huge part of my fitness journey and my muscle gain and fat loss to intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is scientifically known to build muscle mass and increase fat loss. And it also has so many other benefits that I can go into in another video. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section down below. I feel like there's so much more I wanted to say, but I can't think of it right now. So let's just get right into eating today. I usually eat from 2 p.m. to anywhere around 8 or 10 p.m. Everyone has a different schedule, and that's just the way that I like to eat. It's 2:13 now, so I'm gonna start making my first meal, which is a shrimp bone broth pho. The one meal that I have every single day that doesn't really change unless I'm like on vacation or I don't have access to my groceries. Other than that, if I'm home, I'll always eat this meal to break my fast. These are all the ingredients I use to make my shrimp bone broth pho, and I know it looks like a lot, but honestly I just love throwing everything that I have together. So if you don't have all this, it's okay. This is actually just the staple. Add the bone broth, and I just get a huge pack of this from Costco. It's organic and it's chicken bone broth. I put about 1.5 cups, I don't know, just wing it. And while that's boiling, grab a bowl, grab some shrimp. I like putting 6 shrimps in my pho. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put it in the sun so it thaws faster. Wow, oh my god, it's so pretty, it's glimmering. Now that it's boiling, I add the noodles and the wontons. Okay, this is chicken, but I ran out of shrimp wontons, but if you're pescatarian and you want to make this meal, just replace it with shrimp. Noodles, I just grab like a random amount. That should be enough wontons. Today I'm just gonna have 4. We got the chopsticks. Hi, Kiwi. The noodles are already coming apart. I love noodles of any kind, but I especially love rice noodles. Now the shrimp should be ready. Just take the tails off. While I'm waiting for that, I'll add turmeric. Ooh, that's a lot, oops. And then I'll add this mushroom umami seasoning, just a little bit. There we go, stir it up again. Go over to my topping station. Handful of spinach, throw it in, and then take the soup and you just pour it over the spinach. Whoa, steamy, it's getting steamy up in here. Now I'm gonna add MCT oil, 1 tablespoon of that. And then apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of that. mix her up. Then I like to add wild sardines. These are the sardines. There's 4 in here, but I take 2 of them and put it in my soup, and then I just break it apart. I love to add kimchi to everything, so a good amount. I like to top it off with some fried onions. This is like the cherry on top right here. Voila! There is my shrimp bone broth pho. I also make 1 protein shake with my first meal. It is hot as, and I'm over here eating soup noodles, but I'm happy. I will eat soup noodles in any weather, so I ain't complaining. Yum, bone apple tea. I don't know how I never get sick of this. I've been eating this every time I break my fast for probably 5 months now, and it's still good. I love shrimp. Done. Oh my God, I almost just sprayed that everywhere. I usually drink about like half of this and then save the other half for lunch or my second meal. I did that shit. I eat a lot. I love eating, don't get me wrong, but it's not necessarily like I want to eat this much. I just have to because I'm trying to grow my booty. And in order to grow a booty, you need to be in a calorie surplus and getting enough protein, at least your body weight in grams of protein. That's why you see me chugging and just like chowing down on shit, because yes, I do eat for pleasure sometimes, but like the things that I eat on a normal basis, I just eat because I want to fuel my body. I want to fuel my body, and I want to grow that booty. Excuse me. I'll see you back here again in 2.5 hours for my second meal of the day. Oh my goodness. I always complain about how cold San Francisco is, but now that it's hot, I don't know how the to act. I've literally been laying face down in my bed, half naked all day because I can't stand the heat. But anyways, it is 5:15 p.m. now. Time for meal 2 of the day, and it's just a little light snack. I typically like to have either a protein bar, some oatmeal, yogurt, or a salad. And today, since it's so hot, I'm just doing a salad. So this is lunch for today. I'm doing the lemony arugula basil salad kit from Trader Joe's. I like to add some pine nuts and cranberries in it, and then have a yellow nectarine on the side. This is all arugula. Where's the carrot? I found 2 carrots. There's literally no carrots in here. Lies. What a cheese. I love cheese. Oops, that's a lot. Nuts. Some almonds. I love pine nuts. Cranberries. And if you haven't noticed, I like shopping organic. Most of the food that I eat is organic. I feel like there's a huge difference. Non-GMO is so important. I like a lot of cranberries. Let's get that drizzle on there. Yum, that looks good. And for my second meal, I like to finish my protein shake, so there's not much left, a little under half. And today I'm gonna treat myself with some chrysanthemum drink. Comment below if you've had these before. These are my childhood. So good. If you haven't had these, get your ass to an Asian supermarket and try these. This makes me so happy. I feel like a little kid when I drink these. Yay! I love veggies and fruit. So refreshing. I love arugula. It needs more balsamic. Add a little swig of this. Much better. So good. Nectarine. So juicy. Ta-da! All done. Time to finish this up. Alright, that was my second meal of the day. We have one more meal to go, which is dinner. My favorite meal of the day. Oh my god. This whole video is just gonna be of me burping. Sorry! I'll see you guys again in 2 to 3 hours. Bye! Hello, it is 7:58 now. We're gonna have dinner slash my third meal of the day. It is gonna be salmon, quinoa, black beans, and mini bell peppers. This is like kind of a staple meal that I eat when I'm lazy to find a new recipe or think of something. It's just a very simple go-to meal that I love. It's quick, easy, and delicious. These are the ingredients for dinner tonight. Water is boiling, so now it's time to add half cup of quinoa. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, turmeric. There we go, stir it up a bit. Now we cover it, set the timer to 15 minutes. Cool, you got this quinoa. Oh, and we have to put it on lower heat. Okay, there's about 3 minutes left. Now I'm gonna add some bone broth to it. Make it a little juicier. Let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes while I cook the rest of dinner. I'm actually gonna go ahead and move this up here so I can cook other things at the same time. Ooh, this is not right. Ow! Why the f did I do that? Oh my god! Ow, it hurts! I'm fine, it's fine. Look at how beautiful this sunset is. Oh my goodness. Thank you for blessing us today, Sky. My fingers will be okay. Okay, anyways, stop that, no. It hurts. Ow, I can't feel my fingers. We will continue though, because I need to finish recording and I need to eat dinner. So let's make the salmon, peppers, and beans. I am so stupid because I just realized I don't even need 2 pots. You don't want your quinoa to be dry. This is perfect texture and moisture. Add some oil on here. We're gonna use the same, I know, I use a lot of oil, don't worry. I'm gonna use the same pot pan. Ah! Salt, ow, hot, ow. Some lemon pepper. I'm gonna add only about half a can of beans. Some garlic powder to the salmon. I just put garlic powder on everything, honestly. It's hella good. The beans look good, so I'm gonna add the quinoa in there. And I just add beans into my quinoa for extra protein because I need to get at least 130 grams of protein a day. That looks good. I'm gonna turn that off now. Now we... Ow! Perfect! Oh yes, you see that crispiness, baby? That crispy! Add the peppers. Ooh, you see them abs though? Oh shit, look at my abs. Oh my god, why do I keep touching stuff? Yo, I'm tripping. So excited for my dinner. Okay, the salmon is done. I am tweaking today, y'all. And this needs a bit more time. I like my shit burnt. I'm gonna add some ranch on the salmon. Yum. Trader Joe's chili onion crunch. Some fried onions again. Peppers are done. This is the final dish, y'all. Peppers, salmon, and quinoa and beans. I'm gonna add some organic cilantro to the top of the salmon, and voila! Dinner is served! I burnt my fingers, but it's all good. We got dinner now. Oh, you can't even see me. You just see the plate. Well, you don't need to see me anyway. You can just see what that mouth do. Oh my god, that's so refreshing. Yay, let's start with the peppers because we have the most of that. Hot as fuck. Why the fuck? What's wrong with me today? I need ice. I need something to ice my fingers. I'm literally gonna hold this bottle of iced water while I eat. The quinoa and beans actually turned out really good. I thought it was gonna be dry, but it's hella good. Hello. Can I help you? Finally eating some of the salmon.
Things are happening in this city. Even the police can't handle what's going on. It's dangerous.
Oh my god. I'm not trying to hype myself up or anything, but I love the way I make salmon because I make it super crispy on the outside and like moist and soft in the inside. So good.
This feels so good on my hand. Y'all forgot I was holding it, huh? Comment down below, do you think that these peppers all taste different when they're different colors, or is it just me? Because I told my friends that and they think I'm crazy. But I swear to you, they taste different. I'm about to kill this and then I'm done for the day. I might have some ice cream though. Bonito! That was it. I'm probably gonna have ice cream later, so if I do, you will see me again.
My last thing for today, I want to make sure I eat it before 10 p.m. so I could start fasting. Matcha green tea ice cream from Trader Joe's. Ooh, it's so soft. Not bad. A little creamier than I like. That was all for today's meals. Again, everyone is different. This is just what I eat in a day, and you can use it for inspiration if you want, but please don't take it as like, oh, this is what I have to do because she got this body, so I need to do it. No, that's not how it works. Everyone is different, and you gotta just listen to your body and see what works for you. But I do hope that you liked this video. I hope that it kind of gave you some insight into my life and what I eat. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.
Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, you mean the world to me.